Hare Krishna. Today we will be discussing the role of the homeopathic medicine arsenic album in preventing the present day corona infection. The Ministry of Ayush of Government of India as well as the Central Council for Research in Homeopathy CCRH have advised taking arsenic album 30 every month for 3 days prevents the infection of corona. Now the common question that most of the people pose is that how does arsenic help a patient? What does arsenic actually do? So arsenic album is a very important homeopathic medicine which covers most of the influenza-like symptoms and it prevents many viral infections including the corona infection. Now to understand how it actually works, we need to first understand that how does our human body react when it comes into contact with any infection. So when any infection attacks our system, what happens is our defense system gets activated and then it increases the number of our soldier cells, the fighter cells, the lymphocytes, so that they can fight the infection. Also, it produces specific antibodies to counteract that particular infection. When this immune system of the body or the defense system is strong, it can very easily fight the infection and the person doesn't suffer the disease. Whereas when our system is weak, then we tend to get affected by the infection. The homeopathic medicine arsenic album, it strengthens the immune system of the body in the sense it gives strength to our body to fight that particular infection, so that when a person contracts the infection, he doesn't suffer the symptoms of the infection, and also the people who have the infection, they don't get any complications that may arise due to the infection. Now we'll discuss about the dosage of arsenic album and are there any particular precautions that need to be taken during its consumption. So the dosage of arsenic album is generally prescribed as 4 pills in the morning for 5 days for all people, all members of the family and of the community. But if somebody has a different degree of public exposure, public dealing as people working in the banks or post office or other places, then the dosage varies. That can be taken under the guidance. Also, patients who have already a very weak system, people who have many diseases prior to this corona infection. At the same time, there are people who have lots of psychological issues, lots of fear and anxiety related to the corona. So there also homeopathic medicines can help. The dosage of the arsenic album, whether that needs to be modified according to that particular patient or some other medicine also needs to be added according to along with arsenic album, that can be discussed with any homeopathic doctor and it's best taken under the guidance of a homeopathic doctor. Now the homeopathic medicines, they are taken best in pills form, 4 pills which have to be taken in the cap or of the vial or the bottle in which the medicine is given, and it has to be put on the tongue and allowed to dissolve on the tongue. One doesn't have to swallow it with water. At the same time, there should be a gap of minimum 20 minutes between the medicine as well as any food, drink or toothbrush, anything. Also, if you want the medicine to have its effect on your system for a long time, it's best to avoid the ingestion of any of the things like caffeine, that is coffee or camphor in your food. So in that way, even once in a month dosage suffices and boosts up the immunity of the system, so that for 1 month we don't need to repeat the dose of arsenic album. Also, the dose has to be taken once in a month and not taken before that without consulting any doctor. Some patients, they tend to keep on taking the medicines for a long period of time. They do not have any side effects in the dosages prescribed. But in case you are already suffering from some other diseases or you're already under some other homeopathic medications, it's best to ask your doctor how and what doses of arsenic you should be taking. Also, there are no drug interactions, so if a patient is already on any antihypertensive or diabetes or thyroid medications, those medicines can be safely continued along with these medicines. Now, another question that is posed is that there is another homeopathic medicine called Camphora 1M. So this Camphora 1M is also advised by certain homeopathic doctors for preventing corona infection, and it is also effective. But according to the Ministry of Ayush and the Central Council for Homeopathic Research, we've seen very good results in arsenic album in preventing it. But at the same time, people who have already taken camphor should take camphor only and should not take arsenic album. Whereas if you have already taken arsenic album for preventing corona, do not take camphor, because both these medicines antidote each other and the effect gets reduced. So take only one medicine and not both the medicines. This is a very important thing to be kept in mind. And in case you already have some symptoms or you contract any influenza-like symptoms like cough, cold, sore throat or fever, so do not take these medicines on your own. You need to consult a doctor and then only take the medicine. Don't continue taking medicine for a long time without any consultation. So we hope all this information has been beneficial to you, and we hope that you all stay safe and stay healthy. Hare Krishna.